Before installing your Verso car seat, please review your car seat instruction manual. The rearward-facing mode is for children from birth to 18 kilograms, which is approximately 4 years old. When using Verso rearward-facing, adjust the recline to one of the 2 blue recline positions. Rotate the infant body support. Pass the vehicle seatbelt through the waist belt slots. Engage the vehicle buckle. Check that there are no twists in the vehicle seatbelt. Pull and tension the waist belt. Pass the vehicle shoulder belt through the rear-facing belt guide. Press the car seat down firmly and pull the vehicle shoulder belt to tighten. Open the blue locking clip and secure the vehicle seatbelt through it. Double-check that the car seat does not move on the vehicle seat and that there is significant tension in the waist belt. Replace the infant body support for children under 9 kilograms. Remove the support for children who exceed 9 kilograms and have outgrown the insert. Ensure the guard surround safety panel closest to the door is open for side impact protection. The vehicle seatbelt can be temporarily positioned below the guard for ease of loading the child. Place the child in the seat. Pull the shoulder harnesses over the child's shoulders, then click the buckle. Ensure the bottom of the headrest is even with or just above the child's shoulders. Pull the harness adjustment strap to tighten the harness, ensuring the child is secure. Return the vehicle seatbelt to position. Press the button on the harness adjuster and pull the shoulder harnesses toward you. Unbuckle the harness. Detach the snaps on the seat pad. Place the shoulder harness straps and buckle tongues in the harness hideaway compartments. Remove the buckle cover and stow the buckle in the hideaway compartment. Reattach the snaps to recover the seat pad. Groups 2 and 3 are forward-facing for children between 15 and 36 kilograms, which is approximately 3 to 12 years old. When using Verso forward-facing, adjust the recline to one of the 4 red recline positions. Verso may be used with or without the ISOSAFE connectors in Group 2-3 mode. To use the connectors, press the ISOSAFE adjustment button to extend the connectors. Click the connectors onto the vehicle anchor points. There should be an audible click, and both indicators should be green, indicating proper placement. Pull on the connectors to check the seat is secure. Then press the ISOSAFE adjustment button and push the child's seat flush against the vehicle seat. Ensure the guard surround safety panel closest to the door is open for side impact protection. Help the child into the seat. Pull out the vehicle seatbelt and pass the belt through the waist belt slots. Engage the vehicle buckle. Place the vehicle shoulder belt through the red belt guide. Ensure the bottom of the headrest is even with or just above the child's shoulders. Pull and tension the vehicle seat belt and check there are no twists. When not in use, be sure to secure the booster seat with the connectors and vehicle seat belt to ensure the safety of the vehicle's other passengers. For more detail, please review your car seat instruction manual or visit www.joybaby.com.